check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello fellas, so this is a nice little toy Volkswagen of my kid, of course. And if I zoom out again, what I plan to do is, so these are the lights of my bike. I want to take out the lights and try to fix them, and the brake lights and white lights on the front lights. I mean, just as a fun project. So let's get started. But before that,
please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward.
okay, so let's open this up. So there are several options. I have these push buttons, and one option is that I make a big hole in the top, which makes more sense. Other one is that I make a hole here with a Dremel, but then we have this thing over here that might interfere with this thing. Or I could actually also maybe push in a hole on the side. That might work. Actually, I prefer that I push the hole over here rather than on the top. Next, I'm going to open this up. It's beauty. Take out the circuitry. Take out the cells. So I am actually going to desolder these two LED lights, and also desolder this top layer of this button, this click button. So let's get started. Okay, at this point we have just done really something complicated, just extended the wires. I'm just pressing this button, pressing again, and then we have a stroboscopic slow light, and then off. Next, I plan to remove with a screwdriver these white, whatever you want to call them, these. Let me try to get them out. I was able to get one out. It's actually fairly simple. I got this out, but it seems like it's still kind of stuck. But of course, as you see that these LEDs are quite big compared to the holes there, so I'll just use a screwdriver to make the holes bigger. It's just a matter of twisting some stuff, or maybe you could also use a Dremel. Actually making these holes really big. Look at this, really huge size now. But the point is that I want to make them as big as the lights should go inside, like this, something like this. Okay, beautiful. Look at that. Kid is going to be happy. Okay, I'm gonna hold this at the place where I want them to be, and then I will use hot glue to hold them in place. Okay, I've applied the hot glue. Let's check it one more time. Beautiful. It looks a bit too froggy, but it's fine. Now I have to drill another hole here or maybe on the top. I really think it should be at the back. It cannot be here, which really would be very symmetrical because we have this whole thingy, this thing that holds the screw from the bottom side. Maybe on the side, on one side. Okay, got pretty much near this thing, which is the number plate. That's okay. So I'll now broaden this hole to the level that this thing, sorry, let me zoom out, sorry. I'll make this hole bigger and bigger till the point that I can get my switch in this one. Okay, finally, after making the hole a little bigger, this button seems to, I applied this glue here, maybe I should remove a bit. I don't know. But the point is, it's fixed pretty nicely. And if you look at this, works nicely. And I also shaved a bit of this machinery because I don't need it, and it is also shipped out because I need to put this thing just like this, and there needs to be some space so that it can adjust the back end of this button. So it goes something like this. Okay, now the back seat has this battery hub, but the kids are not going to reach in there, hopefully, and they're just going to play with the button. Yeah, in the beginning I did say that we are going to apply the reverse lights as well, which are supposed to be red, but I think I'm not going to do that at this moment. The point was just to show how we can easily create new kind of toys for kids to make them happy, and it makes us happy in the end as well, of course. See you later, guys. Thumbs up.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.